Hey, what's up everyone, it's your pal Oliver is awesome back here again and welcome back to more Animal Crossing Happy Home Designer. Last time we built a club in Oceania and built a home for the very first singer in the club. That was a very weird recap. And this time we're going to be welcoming some more animals to Oceania and maybe mainly just chilling out and designing some homes. So let's go on and head on out there and see what kind of business we can drum up today. Mhm. It's been a while since I last did a video of this, but just walking through this town brings back so many memories. Yep, I am in fact from the Times. She looks desperate for a new home. Really? You're only doing yourself a favour by helping me, but I still thank you for it, ruffian. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. There's a floor plan. Alright, Portia. We'll get rolling with this plan here. All I had over to the side with Portia. Go get him, Tiger. Is this really where my new home will be located? Yes, this is a good spot. So far, so good. A tribute to Festival. No, I don't think I should have given her an autumn theme. I don't really think she'll be able to celebrate festival there very well. We've got a few bushes. If we come over here, so right. There we go. Look at all these flowers. Mm. Mm. There we go. I don't know if I really mentioned this much, but I have been anticipating this Let's Play for quite a while, so I'm very happy I went for it, despite it not being as popular as I had hoped. Well, I don't know, I think this has been a rather popular series. Makes me wonder if I should do New Leaf or not. I mean, I don't know. I know I did do a Let's Play of Animal Crossing New Leaf, but unfortunately it didn't work out. Um, due to reasons that are personal. I mean, When I had my black and turquoise 2D SXL, I did do a let's play of New Leaf for you guys, but um, since that broke, I wasn't able to do. I wasn't able to do it because I lost that copy with it being downloaded on the black and turquoise 2D SXL, which is part of the reason why I never use digital games on it, because I just don't trust a 2D SXL. I don't trust it at all. Anyway, we're not talking about that now. We're talking about whether or not I should do a let's play of New Leaf, because not gonna lie, I have considered giving it another try, but um, part of the reason I took my original let's play down was because I didn't really feel like it was. I didn't really feel like it was doing the channel any good because it was only 11 parts long, and it didn't really. It didn't really live up to. I don't know. If you want to see a let's play of ACNL, then I'll do a let's play of ACNL, or we'll consider it. But there we go. Little clock there. If I was to do another let's play of New Leaf, I'd probably do it on a physical copy. I don't think I'd use the digital copy of Welcome and Me, but I have, because um while that's on my new 3DS XL, I don't really want to do it on the digital copy in case I lose it again. Well, I saw this dude right outside the door to Nook's Homes, and he wanted a Sci-Fi space, so it is in my blood to have that built for him. And that noise you are hearing is this thing. Doing door to door here. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's so cool. That's so cool! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, Sci-Fi wallpaper. Is that Sci-Fi? Yes! Oh my god, that looks amazing! And then what does this do? Okay, I don't know why, but that is so cool. Oh, yeah. I don't want to leave this cool house. I really don't want to leave it. Okay, so this rabbit wanted a chocolate-themed house. We can't make it look too much like chocolate because then she'll eat our own home. So I think we'll make it a little bit more homely and less chocolatey. Hmm, that's that's a nice song. Put this, there we go. She can sit there and eat our cake. There we go. Mm-hmm. Things on the wall. There you go. So done. Oh my gosh, I see some of that other magic. Cartman, a chocolate overload. Hopefully she don't eat it. Oh, don't eat your house. Okay, I've messed up with an armored chicken. Holy smokes. This is where my new home is gonna go. Exciting. A basil enthusiast's abode. What? Okay. What would that look like out? How do you design a yard to look like that, though? Hmm. Maybe we'll put one of these down. Hmm. 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 Cannon? Uh, wow. I honestly feel like this would be better outside of the house, maybe, when none of your valuables will be at risk. Hmm. You're still getting a bed though, that's is one thing I am not depriving you of. Hmm. This kind of looks like a battles enthusiasts hideout, kind of. Not sure if I would call it an abode, but it certainly looks like a place where a battle enthusiast would hide out. Well, then again, I suppose the TV probably wouldn't be high HD. There we go. Hmm. Yeah, that's a better song for him, I feel. Oh yeah, that looks like a proper battle enthusiast's abode. Yep. What's up? You wanted a battle enthusiast's abode, and that's what you got. I did what I could with what you gave me, mate. I mean, come on. Okay, so we are on to our next client, and as we have previously discovered, that a chicken head to toe in armor can has an attitude that can be a little on the bad side, but I'm sure this frog will hopefully have a different way of expressing his manners, and as he has requested to us a barber shop for beards. I don't know why he mentioned he's referred to his barbershop request as that, but I digress. So what we're going to do is we're going to build that for him. Post haste. As soon as I can find a proper layout for it. Yeah, I'm kind of a big fan of that. I like the way that looks. Oh yeah, that's proper barber shop like exterior. Is there anything out here we can put? Actually, let's type barber in the search engine. That will help us. Oh yeah. Mm. You can't be cutting hair without your spinny poles. They're the best. It's like candy that rotates. Yes, that was a Rhythm Paradise Megamix reference. Plop, plop, plop. Ooh, a king's beard. Go to a barbershop and request that, and they do it for you. That would be wonderful. Okay. Oh, there's no interiors that would work. Okay, not particularly helpful. That means I now have to come up with my own sense of style, which is not annoying at all. There we go. Hmm. 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 Yeah, this is something. This is better, I feel. All done. That's awesome. I can't wait to see the whole shebang. Burp. Enjoy your new barbershop. Do you reckon you could give me a nice and clean afro? Okay, we are back again. Is this really where my new home will be located? Yes, this is a good spot. So far, so good. Before I do that, I want to try something else first. I've always wondered what would happen if you went to the clients list and tried to visit another client in the process of designing a home. Hmm. No visit icon. Hmm. Hmm. I'll do it from the list. Hmm. Well, hmm. Well, I suppose nothing happens. Hey, still kind of interesting. Also, this squirrel was very polite to me. She said to be a dear. That's the kind of clientele I like. And not to assume, I'm not assuming that the awkward barber, the awkward frog barber was rude, because the barber, the, the frog that was a barber wasn't rude. God, can I talk? Though a bit strange why he wanted to sleep in a barber shop. Mm, I like that. We should probably get the area looking a little bit nicer, with some planted flowers. Mm, mm. I'm thinking maybe we give the flowers We can have some colours other than red, like maybe some white. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. I like that a lot. See that? Okay, I don't really know what she wants me to do here. You can have your hammock, mainly because you won't let me finish if I get rid of it. So you can have that, but I don't really feel right leaving you without a proper bed. So you can have that proper bed there, so it's there for you if you want it. Right. That's pretty cool. This is a public works project in New Leaf. Oh no! I'm sorry. Well, she didn't seem that bothered about it, but still. I'm sorry about that. I did not mean for that to be interactable in Happy Home Designer. Alright, as you can see, I've really gone with the rose theme overall. I'm just in the process of picking a new fence right now, and I'm not lying when I say this rabbit I'm building a house for is literally a gyroid. See? She's a gyroid! That is so awesome! An ancient statue. If you ask me, I think a statue like that is utter nightmare fuel. Especially looking at it at night like this. No, I don't think a light bulb would suit it. Yeah, the metal grid lamp would definitely suit it better. I know I already used it once, but I could use it again. Mm. I shall just duplicate that statue again. There, you've got an army of them. Few spare in case you knock one off the table. We've still got a few more. Okay, no, I'm not having that song playing for her. That's better. Why is that her catchphrase? Oh dear lord. You're welcome, Doyoin. Right, so our next client wanted a tidied up home. So I didn't think she would want too much space, but we will give her the traditional flower garden because it'd be rude not to. And the area around our house is a bit bare, so there we go. Mm, mm, Okay. Right. And there you go then. You can have a well kept house. Mm, mm. Just gonna give her some rad tile. I don't think she would really want um a carpet, given the type of house she would want. Oh God. No, 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 no. There you go, Bree. Nice and tidy. Okay, so Rizzo is a complete drama queen. So obviously I gave him the traditional flower garden. He said he wanted a hideout, but the thought bubble above his head said that he wanted a super secret hideout where no one would ever find him. A bit deep, don't you think? Right. But I shouldn't judge him because Nook wouldn't like that. Do we have anything else that this guy would enjoy? A dirt floor. Nice. Um. Okay. Yeah, you can have that. No, it isn't too much of that bad. We'll go with this one instead. There we are, sir. Robo dresser. Why not? And there we go. Have that. Now, if anyone goes on a nature hike, they will see your furniture far off in the distance. Enjoy. On a scale of 1 to I like it, I definitely like this place. Good. Gaha. Glad to know. Mm. Mm. Alright, so with the 9 animals we've done in this video, we now have 9 emojis left to get. And in this series, I wanted to get every unlockable ability in the Happy Home Handbook and build every facility on Main Street and get every emoji. And we have 9 more left to get. So next time on Animal Crossing Happy Home Designer, we are going to be getting the remaining 9 emojis. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys then.